Hi, I'm Bill Bradford. We're here at the Greenville plant today to give you a brief introduction to Yale's newest generation of electric four-wheel trucks. The new Yale VG series of trucks was 3 years in the making. It was designed and engineered around productivity, serviceability, durability, ergonomics, and of course cost of operation, the 5 most important concerns of all of our customers. Before we get started, I think it's important to point out that our design engineers incorporated into this new electric line many of the most successful features of the Veraciter trucks, giving us greater commonality between both product lines as it relates to parts, service, and durability. Our mass channels are some of the largest and thickest in the industry, providing your customers with a more sturdy and durable design. Our load rollers are canted or angled 3 degrees, providing full face contact with the web and flange. This design resists forward, backward, and lateral movements, reducing channel wear. Our cast steel cross members are a wraparound design to give us even greater strength and rigidity. The open carriage design provides great visibility. Our carriages come standard with 6 load rollers that are also canted 3 degrees. This eliminates the need for side thrust rollers, lowering your customers' maintenance costs and improving their cost of operations. Because there are 6 rollers, 4 rollers remain in the mast at all lift heights for stability and durability. Another great feature on the VG is that Yale has now incorporated the use of the same J-hook mounting method that we use on the ICE product. This means that they are totally interchangeable with Veraciter models in the same capacity range. That's a tremendous advantage for your dealership's rental fleet and for those customers with mixed fleets. The drive axle on the VG series also includes a lot of the same time-tested design features as our cushion tire ICE trucks. The axle housing is made of cast ductile iron to withstand heavy loads, absorb shock, and provide long service life. The drive axle itself is a full floating design. This means that the weight of the truck is distributed by the housing, not the axle. Again, this contributes to longer service life and less downtime. So let's recap. The front end of the new VG series now has the same mass design as the Veraciter for greater commonality of parts and interchangeability. The new drive axle includes a lot of the same design features of the ICE product line to add far greater durability than any other electric truck series in the past. Now let's move on to the operator's compartment, an area that I feel reflects some of the most dramatic improvements. The first thing you'll notice is we have 20% more footroom. The rubber floor mat is the thickest in the industry. Notice the lip at the back and the front and the floor mat design to channel moisture and debris away from key components. It's this type of attention to small details that make the operators more productive. The park brake is foot applied and hand released for quick, easy operation. We also have an optional auto park feature that eliminates the park brake pedal and release handle and further enhances the operator's comfort and serviceability. As we get on the truck, notice the new beefier overhead guard legs that have been rounded to provide more on-off shoulder room. We have the convenient 3-point entry system with the overhead guard handle, the seat hip restraint, and the low step height. Our new steer column is infinitely adjustable through a 26-degree range, providing most operators with a comfortable position, and it locks in place with a gas spring-assisted cylinder. We also have, as an option, the industry's first telescoping and tilt memory features, provide even more flexibility for your operators. The new 12-inch diameter steer wheel and steer column are offset from center, providing a natural elbow and wrist angle. With only 3.5 turns lock to lock, operator comfort is maximized. The molded dash has dedicated storage areas for markers, PDA, walkie-talkies, gloves, clipboards, pick tickets, a place for most anything the operator needs. No more cardboard boxes taped to the hood to hold all their stuff. The new optional full suspension seat with optional AccuTouch mini levers provides a comfortable work environment to keep your operator productive longer. The armrest is padded and shaped to fit the operator's arm. The AccuTouch mini levers incorporate a directional control switch and horn. The standard manual hydraulic levers also come with a directional control switch. An optional reverse drive handle with integrated horn gives additional operator support and safety when driving in reverse and keeps the operator from having to fumble for the horn. We've relocated the display to the overhead guard leg to make it easy to see and to place it in easy reach of the operator for quick, easy access to the 4 operator selectable performance modes. And your technicians will appreciate the easy access and icon-driven information for troubleshooting, diagnostics, and programming. So, in the operator's compartment, we've talked about the easy entry and exit, increased floor space and storage, the new steer column and steer wheel, full suspension seat with AccuTouch mini levers, and the new dash display. All these features add up to increased operator comfort and confidence to increase your operator's overall productivity. Our trucks are designed for cowl to counterweight service access. The 2-piece floor plate provides quick access to major components. The front section is held in place by 2 bolts. All of the major components of the truck are controlled by the Vehicle System Manager, or VSM. The VSM is the brain of the truck. It provides digital communication from operator inputs to major components and are all run over the CAN bus. The CAN bus greatly reduces the amount of wiring and connections. We use double-sealed electrical connectors throughout the system to protect against contamination from moisture and debris, maximizing dependability for the entire electrical system. The truck's motors and controllers are all AC, so there are no brushes to change and no carbon buildup from worn brushes to clean out, reducing your maintenance requirements and increasing uptime. O-ring face seal fittings are used throughout the hydraulic system. They minimize the opportunity for leaks and ensure hassle-free hydraulics, reducing service and your customer's cost of operation. A single pump and motor control hydraulic functions as well as steering, meaning that there is no steer motor to service, further reducing service requirements. Battery voltage configurations are available in 36, 48, and 80 volts. Optional premium performance is available on 48 and 80 volt trucks. Premium performance increases lift and traction speeds by 10 to 12% and increases drawbar tractive efforts by 10 to 15%. But whether choosing standard or premium performance, these trucks maintain a leadership position in travel and hoist speeds while using less energy than the competition. To recap, we've talked about service access, the VSM and CAN bus communication between all major components, AC motors and controllers, the dependability of our electrical connections and hydraulic fittings, and some of our performance features. Now let's move to the back of the truck. Notice the large air inlet ports that are strategically positioned to provide fresh air intake for cooling motor controllers. Our steer axle now incorporates the same design as our cushion tire ICE trucks. It's the same durable cast ductile iron that stands up to demanding applications. We also have 2 lube fittings on each side and tapered roller bearings. Our tapered roller bearings accept the impacts of uneven surfaces such as dock plates and stay tight and lubricated for long life. These trucks also now feature our continuous stability enhancement, which minimizes the articulation of the chassis to help maintain truck stability. Thanks for taking the time to watch us today. For more on this great new series of electric trucks, visit Yale.com for additional information.